Hey, curious kids, do you want to know a secret? There's something super magical about helping your teachers and parents teach you new things faster than ever before. But guess what? It's not a robot from space. Or is it? Stay tuned to find out. AI stands for artificial intelligence. That's a fancy way of saying a smart computer brain that helps us learn things. It's like having a super helper buddy in your tablet or TV. Imagine asking a question like, "What sound does a monkey make?" And boom, AI answers you in a monkey voice. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. But what if your smart friend could also understand if you're feeling happy or sad? Could it give hugs? Let's see. Some AIs can tell how you're feeling by looking at your face. If you're frowning, it might play a silly song to cheer you up. Isn't that sweet? But wait, what if I told you AI can help you read bedtime stories with talking animals? AI can make your storybooks come to life. The lion can roar, the elephant can stomp, and you can be the hero of the story. Can AI help you draw and color, too? Let's grab some crayons and find out. AI can help you draw a rocket ship, even if you don't know how to draw one yet. You say it, and boom, it appears, ready to color. But what if your AI could play hide and seek with you in your room? With special glasses or tablets, AI can make animals appear in your room. You could be chasing a dinosaur behind your couch. Now, what if AI helped teachers too? What could it do in your classroom? AI helps teachers know who needs more help with counting or reading. It's like giving them X-ray glasses to see who needs a boost. But do you think AI can teach you how to dance like a robot? Let's find out. Some AIs show you dance moves on screen. You copy them and shake your robot legs. What happens if you mix AI and your favorite cartoons? Something amazing. You can tell AI a story, and it turns it into your very own cartoon, starring you and your friends. Could AI help kids from all over the world talk and learn together? You bet. AI can translate languages so you can learn with kids in Japan, Brazil, or anywhere. Hello, konnichiwa, hola. But do you want to know what AI can never do better than you? It can't use its heart like you can. Only real kids can imagine, care, and love. That's your superpower. But there's one last thing AI needs, and it's something only you can give it. AI learns from you. The more you learn and share, the better it gets. So keep being curious, kind, and creative, because AI needs your spark to shine. Bye-bye, explorers.